Hey guys, it's Mason War, CEO of COS Accounting. Just wanted to give you a little bit more information on now that your business is set up. First off, we wanted to congratulate you and welcome you to us as one of our clients. We're always excited to work with new people, and we can't wait to help you through this process and help your dreams come true and your business goals. A couple things I wanted to go over real quick now that we've got your business set up. A couple expectations. One thing you should know is that we're always available for you. We're not going to nickel and dime you like a lot of law and accounting firms will do. Just by asking a question, they'll send you a bill for doing that. We're not like that. We want to make sure that we're available for you, that we're here to serve. There may be times when you need us to go through something specific. You need us to do this form that's not traditional or normal, and there may be some expenses for that, and that's just something to be expected. In terms of the schedule moving forward, what fees you're looking at. Really the only fees you need to consider are every time we do a quarterly, which we've discussed multiple times. When we do a quarterly for you, we have to send a report to the IRS. That's part of our normal schedule. It's typically $55 for us to do that. In terms of the personal and business taxes, that's something you should expect. That's going to be around $300 for business taxes for each LLC, and then $100 for personal taxes. That's also including joint. So if you do file with your spouse, it's not an extra charge to have your spouse's income included in that as well. It's only if you have multiple businesses that we need to do taxes for that you should expect. Other than that, there's not really much we need to consider when it comes to pricing, unless you start looking at our bookkeeping services, payroll, or some of these SBA and tax credits that are available that are out of the ordinary. But those you'll always know what the cost is. We'll tell you up front what those are. Now that your business is set up, one thing we need to look at is your business bank account. It's a very simple process. You're going to take the forms that we gave you, you go to the bank, you set up your business bank account, and typically, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I don't recommend getting paying for a business bank account. I would say just get a free business bank account, free checking, maybe even start looking into some of these credit card options. Zach has gone over tons of different options for you in terms of credit cards, and we'll continue giving you education there. But building business credit is important right now. In terms of direct deposit, for the company that you're working for, now have them start direct depositing right into that new business bank account that you set up. And I'll go back. When we set up your business bank account, you're going to take the documents that we sent you in this email. So you're going to, when we first set it up, you get a couple documents. You take those to the bank, and so that the bank knows that you're a legitimate business, and they use your EIN, your employer identification number, to set that up. And then your direct deposit from the company you're working for or doing a 1099 for is going to pay you right into that account. And then you can make transfers as you need. The F2553. So this converts your LLC to an S corporation. This is what makes all the savings possible. So if you do not fill this form out, the F2553, you will not be an S corporation, and you will not get the benefit of getting rid of the majority of those self-employment taxes or those payroll taxes. So please follow every instruction that you need to be able to get this F2553 form. In terms of your business being renewed every year, we don't do that. You're going to be the one getting something in the mail from the state that you're in, and it's going to say, to renew your business, fill this out. In the state of Utah, it's like $20 or $25. You go online, you fill it out, you pay 25 bucks, and then you're good to go. In terms of everything else, again, we're just excited to have you as a new client. We can't wait to continue working with you moving forward. But this just gives you a breakdown of what you're going to need from here on out.